This is an urgent weather message issued at 7:02 p.m. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Charles County and Calvert County in southern Maryland until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado touched down near Marbury in Charles County, Maryland. This tornado may affect the following areas, but are not limited to La Plata, Port Tobacco Village, Indian Head, Waldorf, Rison. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the nearest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.